You're so cute.
Oh, thank you.
Love you.
Thank you.
Let me see your beautiful glittery shadow. Ooh, sparkly.
I don't know if it. I don't know. I decided last minute to put it on.
Good decision.
You think?
Yes.
Okay, because I did the red eyeliner and I was like, oh, I feel Christmassy. And then I was like, I need glitter. And then I was like, wait, I have real glitter.
Show me your glitter.
The actual product.
Uh-huh. Would you recommend it?
I don't think so.
No.
Because it doesn't really dry down. So you have to like rub like it's all over my hands. Because you have to like rub the jelly that it comes on off because the jelly doesn't dry.
Oh.
What are you doing in here?
Poor Max. Poor Max, my foot. I love you, Max.
Mom, stop.
Kate just got home and she needed bud cuddles.
Stop.
And he's so silly. Kate's silly too, to be honest with you.
Stop. No kiss.
So it is 6:38 and I'm just now pulling out the camera. I made 2 cups of rice and we're gonna give the dogs a hot meal. This hot mess is in the house. But we're gonna give Max and Sandy a hot meal. Don't let him fall at bed.
No.
But yeah, I thought too late. This would be really good with this. So I just went ahead and dribbled some, I hate that word. Poured some in there. And this is what we're gonna eat for dinner. I'm not really that hungry, so I might not eat all of mine. And I'm not gonna give you an update because I don't feel like pulling out the camera again tonight. So good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Today is the 22nd, by the way. Tomorrow's the 23rd. Well, the winter storm has hit and the power has gone off. And I'm showing you my messy dresser. But we have these candles. That one needed the wicks trimmed. And this one is almost an empty. The house is gonna smell interesting. And then here in the kitchen. These here. Gosh, my phone may have just cracked the screen. I don't have a screen protector on this because it's an LG and I'll never need unless they go back into business. But I am coming to check. I can't believe I just cracked the screen on my phone. It really chaps my hide. It's okay. What do you think, Luna? You think so? Don't be scared.
Seems it's better we just set them in so we're not like walking in the dog.
Yeah.